So many.
Hi, I'm Anika. I'm gender fluid and Jamaican. I'm in love with a non-binary male-presenting individual, and I won't apologize. It's very difficult to traverse my own country because of the personal biases of persons in my society. I'm employed, but for many others like myself, that may never be the case. And it's not always because of qualifications. Sometimes it's because people don't think we fit into what the workspace needs to look like. I hope for a Jamaica where I can start my family regardless of how my child is conceived. I hope for a Jamaica where when I look at my national identification card, I see my preferred gender marker regardless at my sex assigned at birth. I hope for a Jamaica where I can live, work, raise families, and do business. I am Anika. I am Jamaican. We're Jamaicans.
With these